auraki taku maunga, taki timu te waka, arahura te awa, pounamu, taku taonga, pautini, te taniwha, ka te waiwai te hapu, nai taku iwi, a whānau meihana, a horiana hau. We always had an interest in pounamu. I think we inherited it from my mother. Always had pounamu around her. My mother came from a big family of 16 and all of them had an interest in pounamu. It was a song, it was a treasure, that's what brought us here, it's why we're here. So it's up to us to preserve and keep it for the next generations. At the time when we were Stone Age people, it was important, not only to us here, but everywhere. So our people were using inferior implements, right, that didn't hold an edge. When pounamu became into use, pounamu held an edge, and it held an edge forever and a day. Whereas those other stones that were used in the Stone Age period would quickly lose its edge and sharpness, but pounamu never did. And so it was prized for that reason. When we do our kōrero, we box up all the big pieces that are special and take them around down the marae out to Tāneteke. I have enjoyed kōrero and meeting people. My kids' eyes just bulging looking at just to listen to the kōrero. So that's good good when you've got an audience or young people like that are really interested in all this sort of Stone Age stuff. And it's enjoyable. I quite like it.